Hello everyone, here is the elusive and exclusive Lord Maximus. Named after Caesar Maximus, aka Maxim, the Great. Here we go. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Well, Max, you were playing with it before. He's a lifesaver. It came to me 4 days after I lost Shadow. Max, he says, if he wants to be in movies, I have to pay him more. I have to pay you more. Wow. Yes. You want 25 million cat treats per movie? Really? Can you believe this? This cat wants 25 million treats per show. Oh, look at him. He's so pretty. Yeah, I got him when he was 12 years old at the Peggy Adams Animal Rescue. Let's look at that sweet face. What do you think? Is he worth 25 million treats per show? I think he is. He's got massive talent. Look at that. Look at that. 12 years old and he still likes to play. Yeah. Look at it. Just laying around. 25 million cat treats per show. That's cat currency. That's $25 million. Is that like $25 million? Wow, look at him. There he goes. I just want to show y'all at YouTube. He's still with me. He's still with me. We're in the months of December 14th, 2023. You've been with my life since May. Yeah. I was looking at old videos with Shadow and I start crying, you know. I miss him so much. 2 months shy of 19 years old. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Here we go. Play. Come on. There you go. Okay, just letting you know, Maximus is still around. Bye.